Hi there, I'm Chic Négligé, your happiness junkie for your dose of happiness, and this is a no makeup look. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you see me, I'm Chic Négligé, your happiness junkie for your dose of happiness. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you a very quick and easy no makeup look. If you need to get your makeup on in less than 5 minutes, this video is just right for you. This is a look that I wear every day. This is my go-to no makeup look. It's very practical when you're in a hurry and you don't have time to put a lot of makeup on, but you want to look fresh, dewy, glowy. This is the right look. So let's jump into this no makeup look. So I prepared my skin just as in the skincare video that you can watch in the link down below. And my skin is really dry, so I can put Vaseline on it. It won't break out. It looks already dewy. But it's really hot right now, but this makeup can be done whatever the season. So I'm using a sponge, a damp sponge, with this foundation. I'm using very affordable products, drugstore products, so you will have a very quick, easy, and affordable no makeup look. First, I'm putting some of this foundation on a damp sponge. Just a little bit. Like this. Then I'm using this concealer. I'm gonna put it in this side of the sponge. It looks like a lot, but I'm putting it right after the foundation so that I can melt everything together. And then I'm taking care of the brows. I'm using this brow pencil that I found in PRIMARK. And guess what? There's a sharpener with it. So this is really practical, guys. The sharpener is right here. This is the most difficult part, guys. Now I'm using 2 powders. I used to use this unique powder, but they stopped it, so I had to buy 2 colors to have the right one. And I'm gonna use these brushes, guys. I found a set of 3 brushes in H&M for only €2, so this was a good sale. These are the little things that make me happy. Finding little bargains, little sales, and I'm sharing it with you guys. And I found this lipstick in PRIMARK, and I'm not gonna use it as a lipstick. I'm just gonna put some 3 strokes here, and then mix it like this, and put it as a blush. You look fresh and happy with a touch of blush. Keep smiling. And there we go. And I'm gonna set everything with this spray. A little bit this but it's not finished yet. Then I'm gonna use this concealer as a quick nude lipstick. Few strokes. And then just a little bit of, and here is your no makeup. This is makeup. Makeup is like fashion. You need to have fun. You need to use different things for different other things, like lipstick, not for the lips, but for the blush. Concealer, not for the eyes, but for the lips. This is the Chic Négligé way. You just need to have fun with it. You can use whatever you want, however you want to, but what counts is the result. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification, like, comment, share. Maybe you know someone who would like to have quick no makeup look. Don't hesitate. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, affordable, easy to use no makeup look with unexpected use of lipstick and concealers. This is really interesting, guys. And if you want more videos like this, you have to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Maybe you know somebody who likes no makeup look. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. You just need to have fun.